Is Mobile Legends showing a network connection failed error on your Android phone? This usually happens because of unstable internet, incorrect network settings, or background app restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Before starting the actual solutions, make sure your internet connection is stable. Swipe down from the top of your phone, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check which one works with Mobile Legends. Also turn on airplane mode for 5 seconds. Then turn it off. This basically resets your connection. If that doesn't work, try out these other solutions. Solution 1. Allow permission for Mobile Legends. Tap and hold the Mobile Legends app on your app gallery. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Tap permissions. Make sure any kind of storage permission is allowed here. For example, photos and videos. If it was denied before, enabling it will allow the game to extract required resources properly. After that, go back to app info. Now tap on mobile data. If you use mobile data to play games, make sure allow background data usage is turned on. After that, go back to app info again and tap on battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted. Then go back again. Now tap on change system settings. Allow permission for this as well. Now restart MLBB again and check your issue. Solution 2. Clear game cache. From your app gallery, tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it. Tap clear cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. Solution 3. Update MLBB. Open your Google Play Store. Search for Mobile Legends. If you find any updates for this app, make sure to update it. If you can't find any updates, the problem may be with the app itself. So, uninstall MLBB completely and reinstall it. In most cases, reinstalling gets rid of the problem. And that's it. With these solutions, you should be able to fix the Mobile Legends network connection failed error on Android and get back into the game smoothly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know which solution worked for you in the comments. See you in the next one.